Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing some more organizing and decluttering. I am going to be tackling my makeup drawer that's here in my bathroom. Oh my god, I have not tackled this area since I literally moved in, I believe. So if you're new here, my name is Angel. Thanks for being here, and I'd love to have you part of the family, so don't forget to subscribe. So to start, I'm going to take everything out. I have been using these dollar store bins, I think since my last house. And then I had some clear storage bins in here as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove everything and clean my drawer out, because again, it needs to get re-cleaned and reorganized. My handy Dyson comes in really good use for doing a lot of my vacuuming out in different spots, because it comes with different end pieces. If you guys want to check it out, I'll make sure to link it below. So now that my drawer is cleaned out, I actually need to go through all of my makeup and remove all of the expired makeup, things that I don't use either. And I really want this drawer to be a easy find. I wanted to kind of go in order of how I apply my makeup. So I am really gonna do a lot of decluttering, and I'm gonna organize the drawer in the way that I apply my makeup, so you guys will see as we go farther along what actually happens and how I actually sort and organize this drawer. So I found these drawer bins. I've used these before in other drawers. I have some clear ones by the same company. I really love them. They're high quality. They're also stackable, and they have the footers on the bottom so that they are not moving as the drawer opens and closes, which I love. Now I got these in the brown colored ones because I wanted something that kind of blended in with my wood background. So I tried something new, and I actually really like how they turned out. You guys will see when I put them in the drawer. I really like it. It was just the look that I was going for. I didn't want clear again. I just wanted to try something new. And so what I'm doing now is I'm going to sort everything together, like all of my foundation together with my foundation brushes, so that it's an easy grab and go, and I don't have to like sift through all my brushes to find what I'm looking for. I'm also putting all of my mascara and eyeliners together, so as I'm doing my eyes, it's all there in one bin. I'm doing the same thing with my highlighters. That's in one bin. My powders are all in one bin with my powder brushes right by them. So again, easy grab and go. I can throw my makeup on in a few minutes because everything is sorted together, and I can literally go through each storage container as I'm going through my makeup, and I don't have to really look for anything because everything is there together. That's the goal. So you'll see as I'm putting stuff together, I am putting it in the order that I'm gonna apply my makeup with the brush next to it, so that I can move really quickly as I'm applying my makeup and not have to sort through brushes or, you know, certain makeup items. And these bins were a pack of, I think, like 13 or 14 different storage containers in them. They are from Amazon, and I will definitely link them below. You guys make sure to also follow me on Amazon. I live stream on Amazon every week, so you guys can come talk to me, shop with me, and chat with me over on Amazon and follow me over there. And you can also shop anything in my Amazon store. A lot of things that you guys see in my house is in my Amazon store, and it's sorted by categories. So if you're looking for organizers, just head to my store and go under the organizers tab, and you can find a lot of my favorite organizers under there. So as you can see, I have everything together, all of my eyeliners together, all of my eyebrow things together, all of my eyeshadow together, all of my lipsticks together and lip glosses, and I have the brushes with them or next to them also. So again, easy application. We're gonna see how this technique and this system works. So far, I really do like it. I've had it in place for about a month now, because you guys, I just haven't got around to editing this video and getting it up, but I have had it in place as I'm doing these voiceovers for about a month, a little bit over a month now, and I really like it. I really love the fact that these containers does not move when you open it up. I still have some extra space, which I'm happy about now too. That's what happens when you declutter. You get rid of stuff you don't need, and you can actually, you know, open up more space. So I love the results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you needed some motivation to tackle your beauty area and your makeup, hopefully this gives you some motivation and some good music to get it going. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.